At Excel A-Level Mathematics Core 2, we're asked to find the roots of x cubed minus 7x plus 6. Now we're going to use the factor theorem, and I've put that over on the right. And so it says f of a equals 0, which implies x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x. So we're looking for a number that when we plug it into x, the result is 0. If that is so, then x minus that number is a factor of the polynomial itself. Now the first thing to do with these is look at the final number, the constant, and it's a cubic, so there are going to be 3 factors, and so we've got to look for all the factors of 6. So 1's a factor of 6, 2, 3 and 6 are a factor of 6, but the negatives are also there. These are the only possible values. If it doesn't factorize, well, it doesn't factorize, but if it does, then we're going to see some of these numbers in the brackets. So let's start off with the easy one, which is plus 1. So we'll try f of 1. Now what we're doing here is we're plugging 1 into the equation. Where there's an x, it becomes 1. So 1 cubed is 1, minus 7 times 1, which is 7, plus 6, which is a constant. We add all those up, it gives us the answer 0. Now the factor theorem says if f of a, well, a is 1 in this case, equals 0, this implies, and is implied by the fact that x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x. So therefore we can say x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so let's try f of 2. Let's see if that works. And again, we'll replace the x with the 2, so 2 to the power of 3 gives us 8. And we're going to subtract 7 times 2, which is 14. And 6 again is a constant, so we add 6. And again, if we add all these numbers together, 8 plus 6 is 14, subtract 14, answer 0. So therefore, again, we can say, in this case a is 2, so x minus 2 is also a factor. Okay, at this point we can stop guessing and we can actually choose the next one. We know that x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2, the constant is going to be plus 2. Minus 1 times minus 2 is going to give us plus 2. The constant that we're looking for is plus 6, so plus 2 minus plus 3 gives us plus 6. So it's tempting to put in f of 3, but don't forget we're going to subtract the value that we put in the brackets, so we're going to choose f of minus 3. Minus 3 cubed gives us minus 27. Minus 7 times minus 3 is plus 21. And then add 6, which is the constant. And what do we have? Minus 27 plus 21 is minus 6 plus 6, 0. Therefore, x minus minus 3, which is plus 3, is a factor. And we can therefore say x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to f of x, which is x cubed minus 7x plus 6.